Hi guys, how do we do our market analysis or how do we look for entry? So first off, we look for the higher time frame. Ayan, and we look for the bigger picture dito sa higher time frame, no? And also before that, we also look for the fundamentals, the news. It's not about just technical analysis. It's also the fundamentals that really moves the market. And if we're solely dependent sa technical analysis, medyo ano tayo, one-sided tayo, and mas prone tayo sa mga shakeout, sa conviction natin sa pagte-trade, kasi we really don't have an idea kung ano talaga yung nangyayari, no? Kasi like that, we are actually looking for a sell setups, pero wala eh. It's always bullish eh. Kasi there's an ongoing war, there's uncertainty sa US dollar, bumagsak yan, etc. So that's what really moves the market, no? So like for example here, we look for a very very long na short setup or sell positions na we are actually expecting na it's gonna go down here, but it's not. It did not. Yan kasi yun nga, fundamental wise, sobrang lakas ng gold tumasya due to geopolitical tensions, no? Anyway, we are going to look for a trend here dito sa ating higher time frame. This is where we analyze the market. This is where we look for the bigger picture, the general trend ng market. So basically, hindi mo na kailangan manghula, no? It's on a buy bias, no? It's going long. Ayan. Ayan. So draw lang tayo ng trend line dito para mas malinaw. Okay. Yan. So it doesn't have to be exact, no? But you know, you get the idea na whenever it touches itong trend line natin na ito, yung dilaw, it's gonna bounce, it's gonna go up. Ayan. So it's not always that we do buy, kasi every time na meron din namang touch dyan sa taas, no, we do sell. Yan. Pero generally, since we are on a lower end nitong ating trend line, we are on a buy bias. Ayan. So horizontally, it's also on a buy. Ayan. So now, since we identify our trend and our bias, we now look for our setup and sa mga sa ating lower time frame, no? This is where we execute our trades. So how do we do that? So it's hindi ibig sabihin na we are on a buy bias, you will just buy anywhere, no? We look for formations din syempre. So we identify the support. Ayan, so may mga support dyan. So tingnan natin dito, no? Sorry. So like for example here, you have a support here. So that's where we can buy, no? So technically, since we are na buy bias, we don't just buy anywhere. We look for positions, or we look for support then within dun sa execution natin. So para syempre mas ma-maximize natin yung ating profit. So hindi rin naman ibig sabihin na since we are na buy, we're just gonna hold it for long, no? So we can just buy, and then kapag tumubo na tayo, like for example here, we buy here sa 2616 and then umakyat siya sa 2630, pwede na yan, di ba? Depende sa lot size nyo, depende sa risk tolerance nyo, depende sa kung gaano tagal yung gusto nyo siyang hawakan. Pero yun nga, umakyat pa siya. Ayan. But we really cannot save we really cannot say na until when ito aakyat or kung gaano siya kabilis umakyat, kasi meron din tayong mga swap fees, di ba? So that's how we do. Kapag sinabi natin we have a buy bias and then here's the support, of course you look for the support and then that's where you buy. So like for example, we say na nagsabi tayo, we are na buy bias, here's the support, and nandito na yung price, di ba? Nandito na yung price. Of course you don't buy there, you look for a pullback, di ba? So nandito tayo nagsabi, yan, di ba? You look for pullback, bumaba naman siya, so that's where you buy. And then kapag tumaas siya, you sell, di ba? That's how we do. And then we do have sell positions din, and pwede kayo mag-sell din dyan, pero syempre not as much as your buy positions. Like for example, if you do 0.02 lot size, di ba, you can do that on a buy. And then kapag nasa sell side na kayo, yan, pwede rin naman kayo mag-sell, but not as much, 0.01, di ba? So that's part of our risk management. Okay, so again, it's not going to land on the same price, or it's not gonna land on the same place, and although this one, pero this one you can also take advantage here, yan, diba? You can also okay, so medyo magulo na, no? So tanggalin lang muna natin yung mga drawings natin. Okay, so yun nga, we can also buy here and then sell here, buy here, sell here. Okay, so basically we are range trading there, pero yun nga, it's kapag nasa range siya, di ba? Syempre we can do range trading, pero you know, like what I said, if we are on a buy, we look for buy setups. Ayan. Like for example here, ayan. Okay, so those are the opportunities that we can take advantage. Ayan, kapag sinabi na sa community natin na okay, we are na buy bias, you look for pullback, you look for support na sinasabi natin, we also provide support levels there. You wait for pullback. If not, wag tayong ma-FOMO, wag tayong magmadali. Kung maiwan tayo, we can always look for another opportunity. Okay, so like for example this one, yan, nagsabi tayo dito pero naiwan tayo, yan. But still, you know, you can always find another one, kasi that became a resistance and then that became a support kasi nag-breakout siya. Yan. So doon tayo pwede mag-entry. Okay? So these are yung mga resistance levels na pwede maging support once na mag-breakout siya. And yun, napahaba na. That's it guys, for our on how we do our market analysis. So